titties. It's really cold. This is like, holy fuck.
I'm so small. My dick's so small right now.
Don't put that on Facebook. This is going on Facebook. Keep it Facebook appropriato.
I don't want to do it again.
Oh well, too late. Oops. Oh. Can't get the phone wet. Whew.
Boza.
Nope, I'm going in. Ready?
Pissing.
Am I pissing?
No.
Do I look like I'm pissing? I mean, I should be.
Uh,
Holy shit.
I'm not doing it again. Nathan.
Is this what Navy SEALs feel like?
Hey.
I don't think I can do this for a living. It's not gay. It's not gay or something. Hi, I'm Joey Fats. Welcome to the grotto in the blizzard. Yeah, this definitely sucks as much as it looks. As you can tell, it's all ice. And this is, in fact, water. I mean, look, I'm trying to push my... I can't, the ice is too thick. But yeah, it's snowing out, and I'm in the grotto. Oh, let's see if I can do it with my knees. Man, ice is really, really hard to push up. Whew. All right, well, I'm going on. I don't even know how long I've been in here already, but yeah. Well, kids, let this be a lesson to you. If you get trapped under ice, you're fucked. Don't fuck around on ponds. Okay, we're out.